So I think that we have a lot of dinner table conversations. Would you agree?
Yeah, for sure. It's been an evolution of their belief.
Right.
And excitement.
So it's been almost like boiling the frog, right? Because we had so many little conversations about it that eventually they started to become more open-minded. Yep. So I really think that having those discussions over time, little by little by little, and really kind of trying to pick out what the issues were. So, well, what are your reservations? Why wouldn't it be fun? And in hindsight, I was thinking about this before we hopped on today that, us from the adult perspective, we think about, okay, the finances, the stability, the sense of community, how are we going to work on the road? Can you still make money? We think about all those big questions. And our kids' biggest question from day one, if we moved out of this house and we traveled full time in an RV, was, where do we trick or treat?
Yep.
Right? That was their huge concern, is where do you trick or treat?